Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to record incoming calls on Android phone. Currently in the Android's new version of Android 14 and 13 and so on, there is the method we used to use that we just used application from Play Store, and then once we download it, we could just record the audio calls or incoming calls on our phone. But currently this method is unavailable on this operating system. So if we want to record any call on our Android phone, all we need to do is just use the uh, screen recorder of our phone, and if a user just need to click on it, and there will be an option of media or media and mic. As we want to listen to our record or our conversation, we just need to select it to media and mic, and then just click on start recording once the call is on. And yeah, this is how you can just record the incoming calls on your Android phone. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.